Hello ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadija L, and today you're watching a tutorial on a 4x4 lace closure wig. Yes, 4x4. This closure came out so pretty, you guys. And what you saw me doing in the clip above, I was taking my Iambeautifulhustler lace glue and I put that in front of the hairline to do my ball cap method. Not on the hairline, but in front of the hairline. And after I do that, I just go ahead and proceed with sewing it down, cutting it out, and all that good stuff. And in the next few clips, you're going to see me take my bed head and I'm going to put that on top. So today is just a quick tutorial on this look. This look came out very beautiful. I love it. The curls are popping. And if you have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, whatever. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give me some feedback on this video. Thank you. So after I wiped her forehead off with the alcohol, I started to put my scalp protector on. And you always want to make sure you put your scalp protector on your client, because you don't know how they are going to react to the lace glue. And right now I'm using my Ruby Kisses makeup in a level 15, I believe, the lighter side. And make sure you get a makeup that is the client's exact skin tone, or a makeup that is like a tad bit darker, not lighter, because then you will see the flashback and all that stuff. So anyway, like I do in every other video, I'm just going ahead and pressing that makeup into that cap. And you do this because you want to get a seamless look, like a cap finish under the lace when you lay your lace. So right now I'm going to add about 4 layers of lace melt adhesive from Iambeautifulhustler, and I just measure the width of the closure. You do not want to do too much, and you don't want to do like a little wide length of it, because then the closure will lift up fast. So I do a good bit, like an inch apart width of it, and I just spread that out evenly. And before I even lay my lace, I want to make sure it is completely dry. But just spread it out as you see me doing right now. Spread it out, taking my time. Don't rush. Like I said in my previous video, do not rush. So as you can see, before I lay my lace, I wait till the glue dried, and then I just blow dried it on warm and lay my lace down into the glue. So you want to cut a slit in the middle and then take an eyebrow razor and just carefully go into zigzag motions to cut the rest of that lace off. Then after that, I go ahead in with my bed head, hard head, and I spray that across the section of my lace. And I just take my melt belt and just wrap that around that lace, and as you can see, it gives it this flawless melt. I know you guys see a little bit of bald spot, from that dang on plucking, but I'm going to fix that, you guys. You're gonna see. But anyway, in order for that lace front to look right, I'm not saying it's got to be bald, but it got to be damn near bald. You want it to look natural, it got to be damn near. But I know how to fix that, so that's why I don't worry about it. But anyway, as you can see, I'm going into the mid section, and I'm just going to pluck that part, define that part. And right now we are about to do the baby hair. So what I did was comb out a section on the side, and I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and I'm just going to cut that like an inch or two short, and I'm going to spray my bed head, hard head onto my brush, and then I'm just going to swoop the hair like that. So that is my tip for today. If you're having trouble with the baby hairs, like doing it with the gel, try it with the holding spray, and I promise once you flip that thing one time, it sticks right into place. So right now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just flattening out that middle section, and you want to be very careful with this hot comb. As you can see, I'm just serving straight scalp, you guys. I already went in and fixed my part, and I will put the link to that video in the description box below, because my camera shut off at that point. So as you can see, you guys, this is just so beautiful. If you have the right lace melt adhesive, let your coats dry, the right makeup, plucking, baby hair lay, it's going to look so beautiful. And as you can see in the next couple clips, I'm just going to spray the hair down with some water, And that's the only thing that's going to be in that bottle. Water. Then I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner on the hair and some mousse. And that's just going to revert the curls back. And my client, which is my best friend, she's been my friend ever since, high school years, you guys, like 7-8 years now. So anyway, she just loved this look. She absolutely loved it, and I love it on her. It looks so beautiful, you guys. And I just want to say, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the ending clip. Hey, if your client not this happy, y'all, you doing something wrong, okay?